Hi guys, let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. Okay, see, it's kind of beautiful. We can do that. Let's create it under 3 minutes. I think we can create it under 2 minutes. Okay, at first we need to add a new slide. The most important thing is how to create this rectangle. This rectangle is easily created from the shape. Select one, create the shape, and then just simply go here, go to shape outline, make it no outline, and then make the shape effect. From the shadows, inner shadows, it's important somehow. Let me tell you some good advice. It's important. By holding shift, you can create this shape. Okay, it's important that when you create a shape, let me reduce it in size. For better looking, it contains 2 or 2.5 of these shapes. I hope you understand what I say, but let's go with that. After that, we need to just paste the text and create something like this slide. I just simply copy that slide because this is just a text slide. We change the colors from here. You can change everything colors and then shadow all of the things. And for this slide, we use Overdrive Sunset, and for the font, we use these formats. You can use one of them, each one of them if you want. After creating that, you need to copy that. You must remember that bring this shape to front before copying that, and then press Ctrl A to select all of them. Go to shape format, align them center and middle. Now bring this to the top, set transition to morph. Now let's have a look at it. It looks really beautiful. I hope you enjoy it. Have a nice time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.